This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you're on the Discord desktop app and note the version because themes hook into that client. Next, install a theme loader like Better Discord carefully, enable backups and accept risk prompts so you can revert. Once installed, download a CSS theme file and move it to the themes folder under your Discord user data. This readies the theme for activation and prevents mismatches when Discord updates. Open Discord, go to Settings and find the Appearance or Themes section provided by your mod. You'll enable the theme, and if you have multiple themes, set their load order so overrides behave predictably. Once active, tweak theme variables, fonts, colors, spacing, either in the theme settings UI or by editing its CSS. This lets you fine-tune contrast and legibility. Make sure to reload Discord after changes so the new rules fully apply. Finally, test the theme across typical screens, servers, direct messages, settings, and any overlays to confirm consistent visuals. If you encounter glitches, first disable themes and clear Discord's cache. If that fails, reinstall the theme loader and reapply the theme. Always keep backups of your CSS files and record your Discord client version before major updates to avoid incompatibility. If something breaks after an update, revert to your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.